Hi, I'm Jess from Camdenboss, and today I'm introducing our new range of DIN rail mounted terminal blocks. Our high quality range of rising clamp DIN rail mounted terminal blocks help when connecting wires to DIN rail systems, providing a quick, simple and cost effective way to make pluggable connections. The range is available in two pitch size options, 5mm
or 5.08mm pitch,
both offering either flanged or non-flanged options, and ranging from 6 to 24 holes. Vertical and horizontal orientations are available, and the DIN rail adapter can accommodate 35mm top hat and 32mm G-rail as standard. The modular construction gives you a number of flexible installation and maintenance options. Fitting the block to the DIN rail is straightforward. Terminal blocks and mounting adapters simply click into position. You can remove and refit terminal blocks without removing adapters from the rail, which is helpful in high-density installations, making it easy to reverse entry points or plug orientation. This is especially helpful during field installations. In summary, Camdenboss DIN rail terminal blocks simplify wiring in a broad range of DIN rail applications.